You want this to be flat and have no gaps behind it, right? Okay? So you'll be able to use that. Just don't get your fingers in there. They'll cut you up. You ready to work today? All right, everyone come on in. Lead us, please, Austin.
How are we going to start off?
I'll do it. 1, 2, 3. Ideal! Sorry that I...
She always punches down.
Ready! All right. Monday morning, let's get some coffee. I do need some more coffee. We are getting some goggles and a mask. This sanding procedure, it gets all in your face. I'm protecting my pretty eyes. Oh, what is this? This is dirty. My arms hurt already, and my day's barely starting, yeah. So it looks like the mud kind of dripped here. So we want to make sure that we're scraping those off and then sanding. It's just a little easier to do it with this and then sand versus trying to get, see this one? Versus trying to just sand that. It's just easier to do this. There you go. Nope. Just saw you doing that and I...
When you put texture on, there's a lot of bumps and grooves and cracks that you need to sand out so that way you have a clean finish. So when you put on the texture, which is a light texture, it's not gonna see all that impurities. So it will be nice and smooth with paint.
That's right, and no imperfections to be seen.
Smooth as snow. So we gotta sand the ceiling and then do our third coat on the ceiling.
Yep.
It's gonna be a very thin layer that we put of texturing, so we wanna make sure that this is as smooth as possible so it's not reflecting through. So it's absolutely important that this is smooth so that when we put the texturing on, those imperfections don't come through. I think it's really important for us to be on the same page to help each other, especially if if you're caught up and maybe I need a little bit of help. It's always good to kind of check in so that we get stuff done faster, yeah. Because if two people aren't even talking and they're both doing two different things, that's when a lot of mistakes happen. And then you're like, wait, what did you just do? So it's important to pay attention. We need a ladder. Look at this stuff, see? This is why we wear protection. Gotta start sanding the roof. Let's go get my partner one, shall we? She's a bit taller than me, so she gets the little one. Junior had this stick to sand the The ceiling, can we use it or no?
Oh yeah.
For me, I'm extra short, so I should be using this period. Definitely helps with having the sand not fall directly on you. So I could be on a side and reaching, and it's less sand that's in my face. Let's do this. And I even got up on the ladder right now because there's some sections that I gotta look a little closer at, but it's more difficult to see them from down here. This hurts. We were gonna keep at it until it's done. We're almost there. I think we got another week, right, Lisette?
Yeah.
Yeah, just another week. We got another mudding up in the ceiling, and then we start texturing. So we are excited to finish this up.